Woodworking has been a popular hobby for centuries, requiring skill, patience, and creativity. Many people enjoy creating unique pieces of furniture from wood, either for personal use or to sell for profit. One significant benefit of making wood furniture for profit is the ability to create unique and personalized pieces. Custom pieces can provide customers with exactly what they are looking for and command a premium price. Custom pieces are one-of-a-kind pieces of furniture that cannot be found in traditional stores. If you start making custom pieces, you will definitely grow your woodworking business in no time. Regarding furniture options you can make for profit, there are hundreds of them to choose from. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas for your next woodworking project for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating custom woodworking pieces will let you learn new skills and techniques. Woodworking requires precision and attention to detail, which can be challenging at first. As skills improve, confidence grows, and new techniques can be applied to future projects. In addition, when you make something and sell it for profit, you will get a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Completed pieces are tangible objects that signify time and effort put into creation. Some people take woodworking as a therapeutic activity which relaxes them and distresses them from the tensions of daily life routines. This is possible due to the fact that concentration required in woodworking can help clear the mind and focus on the task at hand. As we always say, making wood furniture for profit can be a great way to meet new people and connect with others. You can collaborate with people who share similar interests, or you can even get connected with your customers. If you are a beginner woodworker, joining woodworking clubs or groups can be beneficial to learn from those with more experience. If you are looking for a skill that could significantly support your income, making wood furniture for profit can be a lucrative skill. Selling creations or taking on woodworking projects for others can provide extra income or even turn a hobby into a full-time career. There are several people worldwide who did just that, making woodworking their full-time job. You can also record your furniture making process and post it on social media sites to get more traffic and even earn extra income from ad sharing revenue stream. As you can see in the video, some of these items are easy to put together and take short time, thus letting you make more pieces in short time. No matter how simple your project is, it is important to remember that woodworking can also be dangerous without proper safety precautions. Protective gear such as safety glasses and gloves should be worn, and working in a well-ventilated area is essential to avoid inhaling sawdust. It is possible to make furniture pieces from other materials such as metals and plastics. However, wood is a popular material for furniture due to its durability and versatility. It can be shaped and crafted into various designs, making it suitable for different styles of furniture. It is a strong and sturdy material that can withstand wear and tear, making it ideal for furniture that needs to last for years. In addition, the natural grain and texture of wood add character and beauty to furniture, making each piece unique. Furniture made from wood is easy to clean and maintain, requiring only occasional dusting and polishing to keep it looking new. Regarding sustainability, wood is a renewable resource that can be harvested sustainably, making it an eco-friendly choice for furniture. Since wood is a natural material that does not emit harmful chemicals like some synthetic materials, you can use it in any location in your home or office. If you can make high-quality wood furniture, it can hold its value over time, making it a wise investment for homeowners. Overall, wood is a versatile and durable material that offers numerous benefits for furniture makers and consumers alike. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas for your next woodworking project for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.